Say you know some never like what you do. But you go and vent to your friend and your friend have one another friend and put pan it and then it come and then you know because to say do not look good. It does not look good. Coming out and saying say you're not leaving him that because me personally remember say my Jamaican brethren that you know. So me I look upon you the only respect when me I go have for you for sure you say me deal with it different for no say me check for Kris. Even though me I look upon Kazim as with a side eye, me not going to disrespect him. Me not going to disrespect him because I say me coming out here now and it not gonna look good for me. But your people them cannot do that on stick together. The Bible tell you about your partner say, but there and then again friendship and it goes back. Because let me tell you something, you know. As sad as it might sound, you know, you see all Kazim mother, but lady, let me tell you something in her life. Where your name Wawara, but Kazim mama, never you bite the hands we feed you. You hear? Never you bite the hands we feed you. And let me tell you something, that's why I say, you see where I go on, I gotta show up. I gotta show uno up. Because I say, me see you in a comment section from people page. I was shocked because I did think it was somebody live. But when I check a stack somebody other live, somebody screenshot it said it come give me. Me have it on my phone here. More than one somebody. And you see when you look, and you remember say you have picnic too. You remember say you have picnic too, and at the end of the day, lady, and your son leave Trinidad and go England to Kris. At the end of the day, and when my wait pan, if it is so bad, can you say you pray, well you're not prayed hard enough. And I him leave Trinidad and go to Kris. So, and to be honest, in the day, if him want to run, he can run. If it's so bad and he want to make a run for it, but whatsoever on our wait pan, and that's why God make you no can get it because you no feel like say Jamaican a idiot. You no feel like say whatsoever lady, you may talk to you, the woman, you Kris can't tell me if you can't talk me and chat to the woman. Because she's no mother-in-law at all. May I go give your husband the respect and just look upon him with a side eye. But you cannot stop me because this is for my platform and it's my one big woman. Bear in mind that, Kris. Your mother-in-law is not my mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law is a wicked mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law is nothing good. Your mother-in-law is nothing good. With friends like them there, our mother-in-law, you is one man against the wall. And they know what call you and tell you, so me can't imagine where I go on, you know. They don't know pay him no mind and this and that. Your mother-in-law wicked. Your mother-in-law is the most wickedest thing. Woman, and you pick the left and go England. Nobody never call him there. And you take up for yourself to I will talk things out here, you know. Because you go on like the people don't know. You take up for yourself to and it go over there. You and I say nothing here, because I don't want to say one of that to say, you know. All me can tell you no say. Me tell you already, Kris, in this, and Kris, though, you will get word of encouragement or something. But you have to decide, Kris, because these Philistines, them decide, say, I can tell you something. And this is my thinking. This is Fimi thinking. I think so they want something. And because say Kazim not getting what them want, because say Kazim boom over there, I must feel like say Kris minor. Kris not supposed to mind nobody because Kris mother and father in the cemetery mind them already and bury them. And when time them licky and like so you say true them can't get it, them decide so them a tear him down. But remember me telling us that there is a God. And remember in both parents alive. In both parents them is sleeping. And no worries that of them. Hey, me tell us something that a go on people. You see true in get then get where them according to them where them forget according to them Kazim's off. Like Kazim did carry no half go there. And you see true they not get the half from them not getting the half. As called it whether Kazim want to stay about the mama and our Philistine them want for them half. Them want for them half. And true they not get for them half, then decide say them a go tear it down. That's what going on. You hear me telling the people? Cause me I watch this thing from a distance. That's why me not come. Me I watch where I go on. Somebody come at your yard and you have to go and carry it out. You reach all over upon the enemy page. You reach all over upon the enemy page. Me, your mama. You is a monster in liar, is a wicked serpent. You is a wicked serpent. You much sitting up, you're damn lucky you get second hand fan a machine. You should get none. Me say you should get none. You go like say Kris obligated for mine. You move up on yourself and go and let the boy alone. Leave the boy alone. If you know why your son go on, and your son go make your son galang. Make your son galang, make him galang. If him fi go on, make him go on. Ya go on like say, your son bill him. You over in a people comment section and so say you a careless body woman. You a careless somebody I wanna know talk about prayer. That's why you got down look for your entire prayer. That's why God is not look for you, because if it was so desperate, so dangerous, so harmful, your son did the America for how much month? Your son all years ago. Your son can England big. He can go all in England and something and Kris couldn't do him anything. So if your son did want to make a run feet and it's so dangerous, I only did one. Don't go on now. You never care anything come there. Go on. If you don't want to walk, you don't walk. When people really want half an hour wait for no after the phone. When people really want to run, you don't want to run, but at the half of the one. And that them want to know the mama. I don't know where Kazim want, but I know the mama. And the friend them want the half. The so-called friend. Because to be honest, if my friend, this is why I tell us I don't know where these people stand. If my friend life in a danger, and my friend husband or our man or our baby father, me not come for social media come talk because support anything and the man go analyze my friend. This is why I say all these people wants to do, and this is why I tell you, it's Kris alone. They want to tear down Kris because they say it's time. And Kazim half them want it. It's a trap. And since the half now come, them are going to tear him down. Because where them attack say and where them are going, it don't make no sense. Because if my friend life in a danger, why me go put my friend life in a danger? With my friend life in a danger, why me go sit down and make my friend them drag my husband in a public, and then me I go come out and say me and my husband now left. That no patch no sore, turn my granny. That no patch no sore. That no patch no sore. This the patch no sore. Cause I can't something here that weird pan something on the weird pan and I'm tell you say because the half is not coming up, them decide say them going to tear down Kris. Them decide say them gonna form a crew. Until I couldn't another thing again. I could never, because you know, say, believe you me. People screenshot the page as God is my witness over my head. I've never pardoned none of those people life. I've never up over there. You know, and when me look, me see people screenshot where them and Kazim a friend per social media. And it's a Kazim is watching, Kazim Richards is watching with you. How me I go sit down on a platform and make somebody tear down my husband? Eh? How me I go sit down on a platform and make somebody tear down my partner? Oh! How me I go stay good with somebody who come after my partner, the same food where you and your mother, the same place. The same place. Eh? Where you and your family them a eat because of your cousin. Come out because you send grocery money for your mother every week. And the same food where you not eat and you don't come out when tiny day and stop and say, no man, on the out order for say rat and roach. On the out order. The same thing you see your mother, you must see and hear say your mother they on social media. They on platform where you tear down Kris and something. And you don't call to your mother and say, but mommy, you're a big woman, you're not supposed to do them something there. But me again, me tell you all the Kris one can decide people. Me know it hurt to not just like oh, it hurt me subtle. Me don't even compare life. It hurt me. When me tell you say it hurt me to the core because I see this man Billy Brand and how dirty people, dirty greedy people want to tear him down with lies. For them come and them say him go to prison for fraud. Me asking film criminal record for me can keep it with Tina one. That's me can know. None of them are go want to come and them know how that man feel about that thing. Now them want to come talk about say that there and then again me say why you no wait until now you no just as guilty as him the whole of you for go to jail together. Cause me know nothing no go so. Nobody can quiet nobody. I'm going to say this respectfully. I remember when the last platform where me did depend, they come out for me. You know what it take when somebody accuse you from the 8th of March till the 25th of July. Non-stop with hide me ID. The big sour cow from over Monsterrat. And somebody where you even used to talk to and share with. And then drag me. And I saw everybody they think I'm afraid or me did quiet. When me look upon me say no, it no worth it and so. And then when me come out, the big bad, some of them disappear. This is what me tell you now. And this is what them want. Let me tell you something. A content them want. And I love how Kris doing it so far. I love how Kris doing it so far. Stay in there. Cause as me telling you know, nobody not brave enough when time them go play pull up and then make it get physical. Cause when Kris come out, everybody a go run with content, everybody a go talk and everybody a go this and that to make $5. So that's why them a go on. So now them quiet him. Make them quiet him. Somebody got to be quiet. Yeah, make them quiet him. At least him quiet. So okay, him quiet now. Give him the respect and leave him alone now. Him quiet. Because that's how them think. And the same thing them do with the lady at Jamaica. Them come out and them ride and one time she lick out them nastiness. Them one time she come out and lick out them nastiness. Them start by because that's what them feel. Them feel like some people afraid of people. No, nobody not afraid of nobody. Nobody can take up them phone and talk. Nobody not quiet nobody. First of all, you have to answer what you know about. The man no was stagnant, him have him brand, them same broke, well at least him have build him brand. Him have to be at the people them care. Now you see there's a difference now. Because it's a Tina would have sit down over there and they pass social media and those and the people them cake can go down a Montgomery Plaza and drink out the money while him a bake people cake. So him not have no time for answer. What you gonna answer to? I don't tell us, me not hear no gospel. Cause when me say, if the liquor boy them sit down and know about it, whether Kazim tell them, or them make up them story, or them see, it cannot no go so. But give them the benefit of the doubt. Them forgot jail just like him, because why you wait till today? I know last night you see him. Why you wait till today? If them don't worth it and that them want. You know, the people them a build cologne line and a build page. Them no worth it. Remember, so them name, hey, uno look like uno not there on social media. A whole heap of thing. Remember, so them name the call already, so them analyze people, cause to say people it expose them, you know. Hey, make me shut my mouth here, my love, because me no come for this, you know. Remember, so them name the call on social media about analyzing people. Member say some of them when you see a hide them a hide and can't step up back in a them. Some of them when you see a get trouble out here, you know, then can't step up back in a them country, you know. Keep on kin quiet. Though why you not depend too much? Yes, me say uno fi keep uno kin quiet. Keep uno kin quiet and look. Keep uno kin quiet, man. Kris do have to come out and say, and every time you have to come out and say something, you know. It's not every time, and guess what? If they even say you're coward man, keeps on one. But remember, not every time they worth it. Not every time they worth it. You know, keep uno kin quiet, no man. Keep uno kin quiet, a page building, and then the little hungry scavenger want them. But you know the greatest thing what me can tell you, say, why I said, to be honest, you know, to be honest, me see some of them were over there, definitely, and it's their opinion, then do like gay people. So how you gonna take side with one that gay man for tear down one that gay man, but yet still no like gay people. Yet still no like gay people. It's not like they not like Kris, you know. And they said one party said them a build them page. You see after this done, it going to be like Chrissy and the girl. What's your name? The black girl that come out pan Chrissy what day, yeah. You see after this done, nobody now look over there again. Nobody now look over there again. And I can tell you something. Uno buy jackasses. All who in a them messenger box and a give out and a this and a that is a click of them. You wait until when, because they say you wait. You think it done yet? I remember me tell you say it start with Kris, but it will not done with Kris. Take it from me. It start with Kris. Me tell you, me stay in and watch where I go on, you know. And them a build now till all people or something. You know, see them all a try set the people them poor Dana. Poor Dana to backside. Gone all in a comment section. Gone all in a comment section, you know, people. Gonna write up poor Dana name out Dana text it pan curly. You see anybody will write that, God should have cripple up on no hand. God should have cripple up on no hand. Me say uno hold on. Who have eyes to see will see it start. Wait till the mashallah. Because that they say uno know uno do like gay people. And uno know uno na go buy one cologne. Uno know uno na go support no page. Uno just go over there for looking $5 or the $10 for the content, because guess what? They can't play for them live on the page, you know. So then one forget it for go play, forget the $5 and the $10. That's all they want. That's all they want. Again, one when I like one, because they say they don't like we. You know, hear the man say pan in life say a two thing, you know. The man say if somebody couldn't Kazim husband, and then the man go back and say, you ever see weak that a feed the nation live come down out here and bring down nobody. The man at the man The man say, you ever see we are bring down with one another yet? And then take it them over there, they jump and then the Tina she know. The same brand where the she say people tear down and hit you over there jump up in a you know. But no wall and come down. They say one thing me can't tell on us the same knife where stick sheep and it stick goat. Me did there I will there to hear. I did see one of them one time did say then done with Facebook, then gone over TikTok. When me look at Destiny, me see over TikTok a try fire sin thing. Me say me not saying anything there. All of them screenshot I say oh them miss and then love people. Then me say but wait I saw for them love go out. I saw them have love for share. Me I sit down and me I wait because me say it start with Kris. But bigger than this left to come. I bet you it start with Kris. But don't be surprised. And let me tell you something. Say, at this site I go there. It start with Kris, but it shall not end with Kris. Me no business when nobody want to say. Me or anybody. If the same man over there so. And me see them a one Jamaican a beat him, me a go over there. But me would have never see another nation a beat him and go over there. Me learn for wash me dirty linen, like we keep it in here. It look very bad. I wanna think it look bad pan Kris. I wanna think it look bad pan Kris. It look bad pan the Jamaican fraternity. It look bad pan the jump. Me say when the man say you never hear we are tear down with one another, you know should have shame and run off. Me say something a come for them. All who gone over the golf farm syndicate. You know stay there. It start with Kris, but remember it a go end with you know. And when it end, I will be here. Me say I will be here. Ragashanti have to go lend me in tambourine. I will be here. Who no think it a go done? Who no think it a go done with Kris? Who no stay right there? Something coming up for no. All who up there not telling this. All who up there not telling that. Any day name there you know see the whole of the name and same thing I want to tell him. So don't look to be anything. Me say it's gonna be a mashallah. You think then the people are somebody if you play with? You think them the people there? Them no business, them no like no. You think them are somebody if you play with? Hey! I hope one thing do I hope you have the strength like Kris. For carry on. Cause remember me tell you no say all who are run up in a bus messenger box, all who are make phone call, I feel like you know exchange content. You wait till when time. You hold on till when time our Kazim I go watch show no? Him I go watch in show, yes. And when time you see there sit down. So that's why to you know don't ever bother say nothing because I say one thing. Them the people and say somebody tell them say so all who are no tell her when time you look and see them join up no. When time you see them join up and come out and hope when time them join up and come out and start go no can't take it because take it from me. It a go happen. That a go happen. Wait till when time they sit down and evaluate. And when he say, oh, Sorefoot 13 call me. And at this so it a go there. Cause let me tell you something, you know. When one say, you know, all I say. And when you hear them go say, make we go for Sorefoot 13. And then they start fling out a hope you can take it. Take it. Cause me I got there, you tell us a raga shanty, I go lend me in tambourine. Mix up on no one, mix up on no go and get. Mix up on no one, mix up on no going to get. And I hope when time on no get phone apart. Uno nobody come out come say what them did say because we know what them did say. How uno go over there in yard, uno go feel like say uno go help them for tear down Kris. When no could no move Kris, and only help them for tear down and tell all you Tina, you should have did walk far because you know you don't have no luck. If Gully Bad Pastor did have to run your fine platform, you everywhere you they go, everywhere you they go, you no go along over there because to say it's going to be a dark situation out here. Who no wait? Me say, they say 2025 that gonna have the bang. It's going to be a dark name because those nation of people they cannot be tamed.